Hey there, my name is Chidima and I'm very excited today because today marks the part 3 of our epic journey towards becoming a professional website designer and developer. Guess what? Today's topic is a game changer. We're diving headfirst into the full stack web design and development. Oh yes, you heard that right. Full stack web design and development. So grab a seat, grab your favorite snack and let's get ready to take your skills onto the next level. What exactly is full stack web design and development? When you hear full stack web design and development, what comes to your mind? Well, it is like being the master of both the front end and the back end universe. You have got the skills to create beautiful, user-friendly interfaces on the front end, and you can even handle all the data and logic on the back end. First things first, you have to get those front end skills down. The HTML which structures the content, the CSS which styles it to perfection, the JavaScript which adds interactivity. These are the foundation stones of your journey to becoming a full stack wizard. But do not stop at the front end. Let's dive fully into the back end. You have got options here: the Python and Django for a modern approach, or the timeless PHP and MySQL combo. Back-end development is where your data is managed, servers are handled, and logic comes to life. Now, this is where the real magic happens, connecting the dots together. This is where you bring the front end and the back end together to give you the full stack web design and development. Interesting, right? The full stack web design and development lets you create seamless user experiences. You will learn how to handle requests, manage databases, and even keep everything running smoothly. Finally, never stop evolving. Ensure to have continuous learning and growth. And here we are, the part 3 of our quest to become a professional website designer and developer. This time focusing majorly on the full stack website design and development. We have learned how to master the front end and the back end, handle databases, and utilize frameworks that makes our lives even more easier. If you are passionate as I am about this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also be sure to follow us on all our social media pages for extra content, discussions, and to stay connected with our amazing community. Thank you for joining in today, and until I come your way next time, keep coding, keep creating, and remember, the web is your canvas. Bye.